May guesting pa siya mamaya. Oh.
Nag-CR kasi ako kaya hindi ko alam kung may tanong na to.
Tanong pwede. Tanong mo siya tungkol sa dog niya.
Sa dog. Gusto ko yung sa dog talaga. Ayun din yung napag-usapan namin yung series yung
Oh, okay, so, ano lang yun? Hindi ko rin alam ang kwento kung bakit nagpapatay ka ba bilang si Mocha.
ayun na, sabay-sabay na doon.
Di ba?
Sorry po, sorry, last year pa yun. Kawawa naman yung leading lady na kung siya pa rin babanggitin mo.
Alam mo, para maalala ko si Lobby po, ibig sabihin, malakas ang dating niya. Kasi wala siyang kwenta. Di ba? O anyway, dahil sa... Oo, Jude. Okay. Sorry. Okay, so... ano tawag nito? Siyempre yung iba pag nag-endorse sila, hindi nila... Yung iba, parang ang paniwala nila, baka ini-endorse kasi dahil racket, dahil hindi dahil una naniniwala sila, kundi may nagtiwala hindi i-grab. Kay Lobby po ba, paano ka tumatanggap ng endorsement? Sinusubukan mo ba muna ang produkto? At pag hindi hiyang sa'yo o pag hindi mo gusto, kahit magkano pa yung endorsement fee na inaalok, hindi mo tatanggapin. Anong una mong kinoconsider?
Actually, it's so weird. I'm really not supposed to, ang una kong kinoconsider is how yung pakikitungo ng boss sa family, sa team. Sorry, I know it's not supposed to matter, but it matters to me. Nakita ko kasi talaga yun nung nagparagay ako for the first time. And when I had the first conversation with Miss Gracie is, wala siyang bukang bibig kundi yung family niya na iba't ibang, kahit gaano pa kalayo yan sa Batangas, sa Laguna, wherever, lagi niyang binibida yung mga katrabaho niya who are her employees. And that for me was like a big deal. That actually came first. And it always comes first. And then, afterwards, of course, I try their products. And then, of course, ang hirap kasi mag-promote ng isang bagay na hindi mo pinaniniwalaan na hindi mo ginagamit everyday. And so ako, I've been blessed talaga na, thank God na these products talaga really work for me, really work well for me. And ang dami na rin mga great reviews, and ang dami-dami talagang, when you see it online, everyone would even post their skin, their mga glass skin, ganyan. So talagang big deal yun for me. It's hard to promote something that you don't believe in. And ako, if anything, I've been blessed talaga that products I've been endorsing, I've been with for years. It's because I've built this relationship and I believe in them. And I'm just glad that they would have me and they also believe in me. So, yeah, thank you. Thank you. So yun po. Yeah, I mean, like,
Importance,
yung anniversary, there are certain things na hindi naman kailangan gawin ni Miss Grace, pero ginagawa pa din niya. She would invite them sa Palembega, kahit gano'n pa kalayo yun. So, sobrang bilib ako pag gano'n. Kasi iba kasi yung personal relationship for them.
Tsaka, ibang klase si Miss Gracie, no?
Totoo.
The first day na nakilala natin siya.
Yes. Yes.
Grabe. Talagang lahat tinututukan.
Yes.
Pero eto, yes, medyo maingay sa mesa yun. Tatanong natin kung ano bang pinag-uusapan nila.
Ayun, mga distributors pala natin sila. That's why, let's give them a round of applause.
Yeah.
Mga distributors natin.
Siyempre, eto si Miss Shine Pascual, ang ating marketing manager. She's